E46 up. We're installing this full unicorn kit from Drift Knuckles. Yeah, and Zach is doing a bolt check on his FC, and we're going to get to it. Comparison in the future. This is stock angle. So I removed the wheel speed sensor and we're gonna start removing the tie rods right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the time being. Nice zip ties. All right.
Do you have the COVID?
So we got the tie rod bolt from right here and got the bolt off right here on the control arm. We're getting those ones off right now. It's right up by the motor mounts.
Huh? This is fun. Shout out to BMW for
Giving no space.
Well,
to
not
do
no
anything.
space. For putting this right next to an oil pan that gets hot.
Well, yeah.
Motherfucker.
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Oil pans do get hot.
They do be. It can be like that sometimes, though.
Yeah, man. I need to remember to clean my coils.
Yeah. Yeah, that might be something that you might want to do.
There's not that much to do.
6 hours later.
Yeah, for real. I still gotta do my end links back here. I need to replace my sway bar end links. It's a necessity. My axles are leaking all over the place. I'm a terrible recorder, but yeah. Nice exhaust leak. So yeah, we'll be back once we get this bolt off.
Yeah, next year.
All right, so the control arms are out, and just comparing it. This is a modified E46 arm. It's pretty extended, which is what we like to see. I'm just comparing the control arms.
Maybe just slightly.
Alright, so move the calipers, working on that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We're trying to find a socket that will fit on here, and we're having some trouble because that's pretty freaking big, but yeah. Alright. Having a little bit of trouble getting the control arms in.
Ball joints are not bright.
slight modification to the bushings so we can make it fit better. Just taking a little off the top so that can go right where it needs to go. Because it was lining up like right here. We need to line up right there. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Alright, it's been a while, but our modifications worked, and we were able to get this on. I'm about to take the knuckle off. We're still waiting for Dat boy.
I have something for you.
Oh, yeah. Oh. What else do we do? Oh, I took the rotors off, obviously. Back here, where I was gonna replace my sway bar end links, I found that this was like not tightened down. So yeah, I'm still gonna replace the end links just because it'll be a good thing to have done. But yeah, we're just gonna get the knuckles off and then gotta get that done and then go from there. Oh, and I raised the coils because yeah, it's not gonna work max flow. So yep. Getting the other side on right now. We got our tool for the knuckles. So the knuckles are going to go on, and then we can start putting stuff back together. What? Why are you filming? I'm making a video.
Holy shit, dude.
Yeah. Alright. Got the kit in, and Zach is now aligning it because he knows how to align cars. It's sick. I'm really happy with it, and I nailed the height on the front end, so that's a plus too. There, we're gonna align it, and then hopefully it'll be good. I never got my car aligned when I put my coilovers in.
Yeah.
And it shows. See how far off my rear camber is. Yeah, that's good. But yeah, angle kit installed. Alright, so I'm about to go to work. If you guys liked the video, like, comment, even subscribe. Hopefully more videos are to come. If you have any questions about the kit, drop a comment about that. We'll try and answer as many questions as we can, if there are any questions. I'll drop a link to the kit that we installed in the description. I'm really happy with the kit. It feels super tight, super dialed. And I'll put videos after this outro of the kit on the ground, like the final product of it. Yeah, so yeah.